Guys, I literally just realized now that there's going to be this annoying sound that is going on in my videos because of this. So I just realized now as I'm busy editing that, well, not really busy editing, but like watching my videos, that there's a sound that's going on. And it turns out it's my case. So most of my videos are already recorded. So bear with me, and I'm sorry. Hi everyone, I'm moving into my channel. Welcome if you are a returning subscriber. How is that, guys? Thank you for coming back. So I'm still fixing my hair. Don't mind that, it's going to be okay in a few minutes, right? So today my mom was like, girl, let's go out. And I'm just like, out where? She's like, out. So we are going to go out. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning. 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in the So I just thought I would just do my intro. I don't know where we're going, but it's kind of a long trip. So let's see. My hair is very oily because I was trying to oil it last night. So let me just go comb it and then I will get back to you guys in a bit. So we have literally reached a stage where my mom does not want to drive when we're together. And I'm just like, ma'am, when did we get here? Like passenger princess on another level. Kore. That's nice though. I could say active.
The oil is still fine.
It's all shop.
Hi guys. Sound like the laptop. Sound like the laptop. If I can delete. We're guy. Left, right. So we are currently in Uppington. And I think we still have 1 hour to go. And I'm literally gonna go to the passenger seat because first come first serve. Pero karo o farmer. Pero karo a farmer, and you are driving. Oh, what? I'm tired. Yes. What's kind of that? Ask how kill more industry. Kill more industry. You
must be excited.
Katalegile. Listen. Listen.
This man was trying to sell my mom a phone.
Bona. Rawat ke phone. Sudah mau bicara ke? Asal awak ke phone. Bicara ke anak phone.
If you know, you know what he is. So what are you know, you know. Orang lain. Orang lain. Oh. Itu lah Gucci bag lah. Lah Gucci girl. We're going to Namibia. We are going to Namibia. So, where are Namibia? Where are Namibia? Namibia! We must turn here. We are turning. Kara chumia go topa ilalo. Kara chumia go topa ilalo. Ma, chumia go kuwa. Kara cruel devil. Kai, kuwa sa tinjelo kara cruel. Ay, me le vale con ay bro dile caramba. I feel like my camera is not doing what it's supposed to be doing, because like, why do I look pale-ish? I tried taking pictures with this one as well, but it's just weird. You can already hear the noise. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. So, listen to that. This is so cute. forgot to show you guys. The time I got here, my battery was dead, so I didn't show you guys any content. Anyway, this is a lizard. This is how it looks. Oh my god. I know you're in the wild now, but like there's no need for a lizard to make sounds. This is the room. That's the kitchen area, the beds. It's dark because we're out. I was chilling here for a minute. We have that like little, it's like a self-catering thingamajiggy going on. And then this is like the bathroom area. Oops. Nothing too fancy. There's me. I'm here to fetch a towel because I wanna go swim. So I was just like, you know what? Let me come fetch a towel. I don't normally swim because number one, I can't. Number two, there's always people around. So now there's no one, it's just me and my mom, and I'm like, the heat is hitting, so, and the mirror is dirty. So let me go and swim. So I came to fetch a towel, and I also wanted toilet paper for my nose. My flu is still not completely healed, so my nose is bothering me. But it's fine, we'll go. We're going to, obviously. So I brought a towel thinking I'm gonna swim, but mom says let's go for a game drive. So now I can't swim because I didn't bring a lot of clothes. I only brought clothes for today and tomorrow. So I guess I'll swim later tonight. Or never. Here's my feet. Or never.
Had to come back to the waterfall, cause I was in love with it.
I literally can't get over this waterfall. This is literally my third viewpoint. At first I was somewhere there, and then I was somewhere there. Now I am here in the middle because I can't get over it. I can't. I wouldn't say top of the morning because like it's probably 7 and it's the earliest I can do or I could do. It's the earliest I could do, so yeah, we're gonna have to go back. But now the thing about it is I don't think I want to go back, so how are we gonna work around that? Because like I don't want to go. Waking up to the sound of a waterfall, it was like so refreshing, so rejuvenating that I don't think I'm ready to wake up to the sound of chalks. And there's this bee that I feel like it's going to sting me in the end because what? Anyway, I'm about to end my vlog because we're going to be driving back and there's literally nothing to see on the road. The Northern Cape is dry, very dry. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you did not subscribe to my channel as yet, please do subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post another video. Until next time, bye. I have to take it out so that I can record again. What an admin. This is what I'm going with. It's like slime thingy majiggy going on. Can't wait.